This is Reynold, and I'm going to talk to you guys about an app that I created with two other people in Mod, Mod 4 Flatiron. Essentially, this app is a combination of Khan Academy and the Trello task lister. So the idea is a student can log in, they can enroll for classes or courses, and they're able to manage their tasks using drag and drop. So for this project, we utilized a couple of things. For the front end, we used React. For the back end, we used Ruby on Rails to act as an API. Um, for the drag and drop feature, we implemented React Beautiful DND library into our React app. For CSS, we utilized Bulma, and that's about it. So let me let you guys run through this app. So, oh, we're also we're also using a users model here, where student users are able to sign up, and we're using JWT tokens as a way of storing our tokens. And upon refresh, we know who the user that was currently last. All right, so let's begin by signing up. Just to make this easy, I'll make all of this similar. So upon our initial login, we have a welcome page essentially saying that we're not enrolled in any courses. So we have a browse courses option. Essentially, all these are just courses generated off the C data. If we enroll, it gets stored into our list of tasks to be completed. So essentially what was happening is we just generated a copy of the original course and added to our list of courses that needs to be completed. So in each task, we can start it. There's a video associated with it, just to save time. Essentially, play it from YouTube.
It's time.
And then once that once that task is completed, a user has the option of utilizing React Beautiful DND to just drag it to the done list. And essentially, what happens in the back end is there's a status for each of these tasks. So what happens once we drag it to the done list is we're sending a patch on the back end saying change the status of this list to essentially complete. So when we refresh the page, what's happening is a conditional rendering where all of these tasks are essentially marked as incomplete while this task is marked complete, so it's being rendered on the done list. I mean, we can do that for all of them, and it persists. The limit of how we implemented React Beautiful DND is now we're not implementing the index. So if we were to try and put it within between Intro to Rails and Rails form, it just won't do that. Just put it; it'll render it at the bottom of the list. Because essentially, every time there's an action, we're just storing it, or we're making an update on the array and just rendering it at the end. Um, Aside from that, when we refresh, we still have the same account due to JWT tokens implemented. And essentially, that's the main feature of our app. Thank you for watching.